Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Google Chrome web browser without clearing your passwords and other data you have stored on your browser. So basically this will restore Google Chrome settings back to default without removing some important files or important features you might have, like passwords saved or browsing history. So it should be a pretty quick tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser if it's not currently open on your machines. And now you want to go up to the top right corner and left click on the menu icon. Left click on settings near the bottom of this menu here. So just left click on settings one time. Once you're on a screen that looks like this, just scroll down to the bottom selection and then where it says advanced, left click on it. Scroll down again to the bottom. Underneath reset, restore settings to their original defaults. Left click on that. Now you will get a little pop-up here saying this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and save passwords will not be cleared. Left click on reset here to begin the process. It might take a few seconds, so please be patient. And once you're done with that, you should be able to close out of the web browser. I would recommend closing out nonetheless, and then reopen it, and you guys should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.